This is Hollywood Handling, March 14th, 2015. This is the Corolla I bought 5 years ago for 1,500 bucks and drove it for 5 years. Before it goes to the scales, Lance and I have decided we're going to put a Tannerite bomb in it and shoot it. I seem to think it's going to catch. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Did you see the windshield on it?
Look at that motherfucker.
Holy shit. No, hold on. Holy shit. So much for getting the speakers out. Dude, look at that.
That is awesome. Look at the front.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's awesome. 2 pounds, baby. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at 2 pound Tannerite bomb. No more windows. My God, I believe I need to get a blower. Hey, Jerry. Oh, now you know what the damage these things can do. Oh, let's go pow pow. Hell yeah, dude.